Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Bosnia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the website of Embassy of Bosnia and Herzegovina in India. So basically, guys, whenever it comes to applying any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and sometimes even based on other visas that you have, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine this and you want to go for the process, always check the process as per the official entity of the country you want to visit that covers your residential region. Because based on your location, uh, there could be additional like documents, additional steps, fee, etc. All right, so let's say you're a citizen of India living in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened this Embassy of Bosnia and Herzegovina, New Delhi, India. If you go to Consular Affairs, so they have a Type C visa which costs 60 euros, and that lets you stay 90 days. Okay, so what are the things you need? You need passport. Okay, visa application form will go to that. One passport size photo, supporting documents you need, invitation letter or a full paid hotel voucher, bank statement for 3 months, travel insurance, return flight tickets. These are very important. How you're gonna pay the fee? You have to pay in RBL. They have given the account details where you have to pay, and you need to bring the deposited slip. Okay, depositor's name should be the applicant name. Okay, and where you should apply at least 3 days to 1 month prior to the date of travel so that it may get through. I mean, they get sufficient time to process it. Okay, this is about the visa regime. So citizens of countries with Bosnia has a visa regime. They with passport without obligation of visa for entry exit. Okay, that's just up to 30 days. The valid multiple. Okay, short term C you cannot exceed 90 days in a period of 6 months. Okay, similar to any kind other European countries. Purpose of visit, you need supporting documents, voucher, travel agency, stamped hotel, other accommodation. I mean, you need to prove like if you're going for a conference, then invitation letter. If you're going for like a tour, if you have booked a tour through a travel agency, then that document. If you have like hotel and other plans that you have booked, that you need to have return tickets. Okay, accommodation, yeah. If you have booked Airbnb, that hotel booking, that you have to provide. Funds, original letter of invitation if somebody else is paying, or cash in convertible currency, non-cash means of payment, traveler check, credit card. Okay, bank statement. So 3 months it was given up before. Confirm. So if you have paid accommodation and other things, that definitely gonna help you. Means of transport, return travel ticket. Okay, employment document, educational document. So based on your case. All right. Other document demonstrating how that you will return to your home country. So you need to provide as per your case. Now, application form. This is there. Okay, it's free. So your photo goes here. It's in English also, nothing to worry. Surname, your surname at birth, if different. First name, or you can say given name. Make sure it matches your passport. Date of birth, make sure you follow the format. ID number, national ID number, you can say. Place and country of birth, it should match with your passport. Current nationality, original nationality, nationality at birth. Gender, marital status, father's name, mother's name. Okay. Type of travel document, for most of the people it will be like national passport. So provide passport details. This should definitely match. Okay. If you reside in a country other than your country of current nationality, do you have a permit to return to country of? Okay, that's current occupation. Okay. Now this is your employer and employer's address and phone number. For student, it's gonna be replaced by educational institution. Now this is for border police use only, or you can say office use only. So don't need to worry about that. This last column. Okay. Main destination where you are visiting in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Type of visa that you need. So short stay for tourism. Number of entries, single, two, multiple, based on your case. Many cases one, multiple. Duration of stay. Visa is required for number of days. Other visas issued during past 3 years and their period of validity. This will really help, like if you have some. In case of transit, do you have an entry permit for the final country of destination? Okay. Previous stays and other issued visas in Bosnia, if applicable, of course. Purpose of travel. So for tourism, it will be tourism. Providing biometric information when, yeah. Date of arrival, date of departure. So if you have done the booking, definitely. Mode of first entry, means of transport. Okay. Name and surname of the employer or legal entity contact person of hotel or the other address in. Okay, so definitely if you've done the booking, you will get this name, other details. Cost of living during your stay in Bosnia, who's gonna pay? So if you're paying myself, then first option. Means of support during your stay, how you're gonna pay, cash, whatever you have, provide that. Spouse details if you have, then children detail if you have. If your members are immediate family or extended member there, provide that detail here. Address of contact, phone in Bosnia, okay, fine. Then you should understand this terms condition. Okay. Your home address, your phone number, place and date, and signature. Okay. This is for embassy consulate use only. So don't worry about question number 50. So with this, you are ready with the payment and this. Okay. Now, next step. I'm going for a white bag over here. There's given some more information about tourism too, that you can see. They have given the contact details too, where you can contact them and ask them that when you can come to submit the application. And once you do it, you can go to track application. And then with your passport number and date of birth, you can check the status. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.